I made this GPT-4 Vision app that lets you select property images of a property, and we wait for a few moments and it will generate listing description of that property by analyzing the images. So this is going to automatically be copied into your clipboard, so you can just go into text markdown text editor and you can paste it. This is what it generated based on the 4 images of that property that I gave it. This can be done to automate property listing, damage inspection, anything about real estate properties. This app can just be slapped onto the website and you can make it a software as a service or something. If you want to run it, go to this GitHub link in the description. If you don't know how to run stuff from GitHub, there is another link to my ChatGPT guide. So just basically I wrote how to clone this repository, create Python environment, etc. So just follow this guide and you will be able to run it. So this is the whole code. It's only like 55 lines. So this is going to encode images into base 64 string. Then we do the get environment OpenAI client. This is for opening the window that lets us choose the images. Then this will convert all of the images from file path to base 64 string. Then this will call the GPT-4 Vision preview model. This is the prompt. You are real estate property description generator AI, etc. I told it to generate markdown syntax, but you can just generate plain text. And this is gonna copy the generation into the clipboard and this is gonna write it into the console. Thank you for watching.